Hello everyone. If you are watching this video, it's probably because you wanted to use your own custom character inside of your game animation sample project. In this video, I will show you how to take your character of your choice and retarget the animations so you can use it with a new motion mapping system in a few simple steps. We can easily do it with any character model that is rigged. It doesn't matter the height or width. I picked a bigger character just to show you guys. Keep in mind that you might have some glitches in the traversal actions when using the bigger characters. The first step is to pick out your character. I'll be using one from Paragon that Epic has on their store that I think looks kind of cool called Karamara. And classic Fab, glitching all over the place and being just horrible. I will select the newest available version because 5.5 isn't compatible. There are plenty of different options from Epic or on the Fab store that you can use, but you can also use a 3D model imported from Sketchfab or a different resource. The first step after we get everything into our project is to go over to the animation blueprint and retarget the animations. We're going to find the mesh that we'll be retargeting and type it in. I'm going to choose the Halloween version. The size difference doesn't matter too much, but try to keep it close to the default Manny size or you might have some glitches and bugs. The character I chose is taller and wider, but the animations will be copied over to the correct bones. I'll export the retargeted assets to the same folder that the original character is in and rename the IK retargeter to a more fitting name. Then we can go over to the blueprints folder, our retargeted characters folder, and duplicate any of the meshes that's just a single character, not multiple. I always choose Twin Blast, but you can just copy and paste over any one of the blueprint classes down below. You then go inside the blueprint class, and we're going to do a couple things. First, rename the character. Then we're going to swap out the tag for Twin Blast, and we're going to create a tag for our new character inside the IK mapping. To create our tag, we will head over to the ABP generic retarget, and then to the IK retargeter map. We will create a new element for our character using the same name used when retargeting the animations. Make sure you have the correct spelling and caps, otherwise you might be scratching your head wondering why it's not working. We'll then go back to the blueprint class and switch the tag to what we just created. Finally, after everything is compiled, we'll add our mesh. The last step so we can pick our character is we're going to head over to the widget section and then the game animation widget, and then we'll copy one of these sections and we'll switch the mesh to our new blueprint class. And now you should be able to add your own characters and switch in between them in your own project.